Today's technology can be so frustrating. I can't even hold on to this thing. Whoa! And with all this new equipment, I just want to listen to music and I can't even figure out how to plug it in. At least I can take a nap on my handy dandy pillow. Whoop! Sorry, pal. Well, ladies and gentlemen, lay your fears to rest. Introducing the Fuggy. The Fuggy is equipped with all sorts of equipment to help you with these needs, including a pillow, an iPad pouch, headphones, and footy pajamas. Listen to what people are saying about it.
This product is something I can completely get my feet behind and into. It keeps them warm and I can nap against even walls. Like, what's better than that?
Great Christmas present. The girlfriend loves it. It's handy. It's warm. Big fan.
Really revolutionized the pajama industry. You know, if we really just like put our minds to it and inside of it, then I think this would be a good thing. I'd buy it like crazy.
It pretty much just sucks.
The Fuggy comes in one size fits all in casual or snazzy. Snazzy includes a tie. Call in the next 10 minutes and get this free carrying case. Call 1-800-748-4333. That's 1-800-FUGGY.
Well, I'm Santa Claus and I approve this message.